Guess I thought too much anyway. 'Cause now that she's leaving, I kinda wish that she would stay. And I know I drove you crazy. Baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head? I once loved a girl. There was a time she loved me too. Oh man, life is funny. It twists and turns and leaves you blue. Now I know we had our issues, but there ain't no such thing as perfect. And even though she's gone now, part of me still knows she was worth it. When our fights became daily and our spark, it started fading. Oh baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head? Oh, 'cause lately I tell myself I don't miss her, but I